if a car makes you smile, then what else do you need, really? Like, that's why everyone drives around these slammed cars that are just like portions of inches to the ground, and everyone else is like, oh my god, how could you do that? And you see the guy behind the wheel, he's like, this is the most fun I've ever had!